In today's rapidly evolving world, the concept of lifelong learning has never been more relevant or important. Lifelong learning is the continuous, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of knowledge, skills, and personal growth throughout an individual's life. Unlike traditional education, which often concludes with formal schooling, lifelong learning transcends age and setting, integrating learning into daily activities and life experiences. This approach to learning recognizes that education does not end with a diploma or degree. Instead, it becomes an ongoing journey that can enhance both personal and professional development. Lifelong learning is about embracing curiosity, staying adaptable, and actively seeking new opportunities to expand one's horizons. Whether it's through formal classes, online courses, reading, or hands-on experiences, the pursuit of knowledge can significantly contribute to one's overall well-being, career advancement, and sense of fulfillment. In essence, lifelong learning encourages individuals to view every experience as a chance to learn and grow, fostering a mindset that is resilient, open-minded, and forward-thinking. It empowers people to remain competitive in the job market, adapt to technological advancements, and lead more enriching and purposeful lives. By committing to lifelong learning, we not only enhance our own capabilities but also contribute positively to society, driving innovation and progress on a broader scale. The essence of lifelong learning. At its core, lifelong learning is about embracing an ongoing, self-driven quest for knowledge and personal development that extends far beyond the traditional confines of formal education. It is the recognition that learning is a continuous process that persists throughout one's life, adapting to the evolving landscape of personal and professional environments. Adaptability. One of the fundamental aspects of lifelong learning is the ability to adapt to new circumstances and challenges. In a world that is constantly changing, particularly with rapid technological advancements, the ability to learn and adapt becomes a critical skill. Lifelong learners are better equipped to navigate career changes, technological shifts, and evolving societal trends, maintaining their relevance and competitiveness in the job market. Curiosity. Lifelong learning fosters a mindset of curiosity and exploration. It encourages individuals to remain inquisitive, seeking out new knowledge and experiences with an open mind. This perpetual curiosity drives personal and intellectual growth, enriching one's life with a diverse range of insights and perspectives. Resilience. Engaging in lifelong learning builds resilience by fostering a proactive attitude towards challenges and setbacks. Lifelong learners view failures and difficulties as opportunities for growth and improvement rather than insurmountable obstacles. This resilience not only enhances personal development but also contributes to mental and emotional well-being. Personal fulfillment. Beyond professional benefits, lifelong learning contributes to personal satisfaction and fulfillment. It allows individuals to pursue their passions, explore new interests, and achieve a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or delving into a new field of study, lifelong learning enriches life with purpose and joy. Community and connection. Lifelong learning often involves engaging with others who share similar interests and goals. This can lead to the formation of supportive communities and networks, fostering a sense of belonging and collaboration. Whether through online forums, local clubs, or educational workshops, these connections provide valuable social support and inspiration. By embracing lifelong learning, individuals can continuously enhance their skills, knowledge, and perspectives, ultimately leading to a more adaptable, resilient, and fulfilling life. The journey of lifelong learning is not just about acquiring information, it's about cultivating a mindset that values growth, curiosity, and the endless possibilities of what one can achieve. Here are some practical tips to apply. 1. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve through lifelong learning, whether it's career advancement, personal enrichment, or developing a new hobby. 2. Stay curious. Cultivate a natural curiosity about the world around you. Ask questions, seek out new experiences, and remain open to learning opportunities. 3. Use available resources. take advantage of online courses, workshops, seminars, and free resources like podcasts and TED Talks. 4. Join learning communities. Engage with groups or forums related to your interests. Sharing knowledge and experiences with others can enhance your learning journey. 5. Practice reflection. Regularly reflect on what you've learned and how it applies to your life. This helps reinforce new knowledge and skills. 6. Read regularly. Make reading a habit. Books, articles, and research papers can provide valuable insights and knowledge. 7. Embrace technology. Use technology to facilitate learning. Online platforms, educational apps, and virtual reality can offer immersive and interactive learning experiences. 8. Set aside time. Dedicate specific times in your schedule for learning activities. Consistency is key to making lifelong learning a habit. 9. Stay flexible. Be willing to adjust your learning goals and methods as needed. Flexibility ensures that learning remains relevant and enjoyable. Lifelong learning is a dynamic and fulfilling journey that extends well beyond the traditional classroom. It equips individuals with the tools and mindset needed to navigate an ever-evolving world, fosters personal and professional growth, and enriches life in countless ways. By embracing lifelong learning, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, continuously growing and evolving throughout our lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wired to Thrive for more insightful content like this.